Okay, 2010 X5 35D M57 glow plug module. There's the new one there. I know I should have started this earlier so you guys could see the frustration I had getting it out, getting the old one out. The small round clip comes off easy, the big clip not so much. I know on the 335Ds it can be done without taking the intake off, but on the X5 35D there's just no way to get in there. That's where it goes. It mounts on this right here and right in there behind all the piping. You have to take this off. It's right underneath it. Yeah, so this is the pipe here that goes there, and right underneath is the module. So it's a bit of a pain to get in at. There's just, on the X5 US edition anyways, there's no room to get your hands in here. No room at all. You have to disconnect, of course, the dipstick. It makes it a little bit easier if you disconnect this so you have some play. And of course you got to take the intake off, and I was able to just undo the banjo clip on the EGR to get the intake off. And there's that clip, you can see it right there, that one that goes, it goes right there on the intake. So next I'm going to be doing is the swirl flaps. You can see it's leaking all over the place. Swirl flaps and replace the gaskets. Be careful of these. This one fell out and it has lost its washer. So I'll have to find that. It was lying on the transmission. So yeah, be careful of all those. But look at the carbon buildup. It's terrible. All because of that EGR. Well, partly because of that EGR. Not all, but it's a big part of it. Swirl flaps appear to be intact, but you can see the carbon buildup in there. Just terrible. So I guess we're gonna have to look into some walnut blasting of some sort. And again, you can see the buildup on the intakes. Let's see if I can get you more light. It's quite messy here. So yeah, not so hot in there. Sorry I can't get you better shots, but you get the idea. So next will be the replacement of that. Fun, fun, fun.